Living in Sosua is like living in paradise. Imagine a beautiful house just steps from the beach, surrounded by nature with a spectacular garden, pool, and gazebo to relax. This villa is perfect for inviting family and friends, or even generally come through Airbnb. The location is ideal between Sosua and Cabarete with access to beaches, water parks for your kids, luxurious restaurants like Santa Fe and Maria, supermarkets, international schools, and more. The property has two buildings, the main building with 5 bedrooms, each with a bathroom, living room, kitchen, and dining room. And the second building, that what are you seeing here, with 4 bedrooms, each with a bathroom, terrace. All rooms have air conditioning, a fan, a safe, and TV. This villa is in a gated community and features a large pool with a jacuzzi, 9 bedrooms accommodating up to 20 guests, each with a bathroom, free daily cleaning, and Wi-Fi. The pool area has a pavilion with a dining table, bar, fridge, bathroom, and another pavilion with a pool table. The property includes 4 parking spaces with a remotely controlled gate. Would you like to know more? Don't miss this opportunity to live in paradise. Click the link in the description for more details, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing properties like this. See you in the next video.